Good morning, children. This is the activity number 2 in MS Access. Here, I am going to explain this activity, how to answer for these questions. Just note down the answers. Once you receive your workbook, you can fill the answers in your workbook. Look at the picture. A sales manager has let his representative to sell his stationery products. He maintains a database about the sales they have done. The database is given below. Observe the database and answer the questions. So here we can see sales report of one products, order date and region and representative name, product item and units and its cost and total. Here look at this picture. We have to find how many items they have sold, and we have to take a report for this data. Let me explain about this table. So here how many columns we have in the table. Order date is one column and region is next one, and third representative, and fourth one item column, units, cost, total. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 column headings. In technically we can say these are the field name. Okay, field head. Okay, field name is order date, region, rep, item, units, cost and total. These are the column headings or field name. So under that we have a rows and rows of data. We have created table. The combination of rows and columns is the definition for table. This is the table for the sales representative. Their selling reports. Clear? So here we have how many rows here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows are there. Each rows has the order date and its region, east, central, west region, and representative names, items, units, the cost, how much they have sold the products of a pencil and a pen, some product category. So we have a columns and rows. It's a combination of columns and rows. It's a table. This is the table for the salesman's reports. Okay, so here you have to look at in MS Excel. We know how to create a table. We have to find first create column headings or field names, and its a data type. Which data types we are going to enter in that field, text or a number or alphabetic letters. So you have to design the table, and then we have to create a column headings, and we can enter the data. This is the way you have to create a table in MS Access. Okay, so observe this report. After that you have to answer the below questions. Okay, so understand very simple. We have this activity. I hope you can do. You have a system in your home. Work just to open the MS Access application and work with MS Access. First create a table for salesman's report and create a column headings or field names for this, and you can enter data for this table. Okay, so understand, it's a simple activity. Manually you know how to answer for these questions, but important thing here, we have to work with MS Access application. I hope you know how to work with MS Access application. Watch my previous two videos, how to open MS Access application, how to create a simple table, and how to design a database. Okay, so for here you have to open MS Access application and create first field headings, and it's a data type, and give one table name, and you can create your own table. After that you can enter data in the table. You can add rows. Okay, so this is the these are the steps you have to do in a system for work with this table. Okay, so read the questions. You can answer the questions with easily. But if you have a system in your home, work with MS Access application, you'll get some knowledge in that application. Okay, so let me explain the questions. Go through the picture carefully and understand the picture, what they have selling and product names. Let me explain the questions. The first question: how many records are there in the database? Okay, so how many records are there in the database? We have a 9 rows in the table, so 9 is the answer. How many records? Each row we can say it's a record in the table. We have a 9 records in the database. 9 sales representative, they are selling details they have mentioned in the table. So 9 is the answer. Second question: how many fields are there in the database? Fields, we have fields is like nothing but column headings. We have here 8 column headings are. Field 1 is order date and region, salesperson name and units, item and cost value. So these are the field names. We have here 8 fields in the table. You have to count the columns. Okay, so when you create a table, we have to first give the field names in MS Access application. After that, you have to set its data type. Example, order date, it will holds only date data type. Okay, we have to set data type as a date. Here salesperson name, it will holds only, accept only alphabetic letters of the person names. So we have to set as a data type text when you create a database in MS Access. So like that, you have to set all the fields data type when you create a table in MS Access applications. So here they are asking simply how many columns, how many fields are there in the data table. So we have here count the table or databases column headings. You can get the answers. I think 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns are there. So answer is 7 fields are there. Next question: name the field which has the data type as date. So here look at the picture. They are asking which field has its data type as a date. Okay, so other fields, name of the person is a text. Units, it has the numbers data. So which field has the type of data? Date. So answer is order date is the answer for this question. It will accept only column heading order date. It will accept only date values. So answer for this question is order date. Fourth one: which fields have the data type as number? They're asking about which column has the data type of number. So you can answer for this question simple. Order date, it will accept only date, and units and the cost value as the column headings, they will accept only numbers. Okay, so the answer for the questions, you can find column headings which accepts only number. So look at the picture and answer the question. I hope you know answer for this question. It's very simple. Last one: suggest a name for the database. You have to, when you create a table in MS Access, you have to give the name of the table related to that report of the data. So here we have a salesperson's report. So you can give the name for this table, a salesman report or sales report, representative data, so something. So you have to select the name related to that data. You have to first understand the concept here, and you have to give the name opt for the table. For this table we can give a salesperson report, representative data, product details, selling data, data analysis for sales reports, something. So we can choose any word, opt for this data, this data. Okay, I hope this is a simple activity. Just go through the picture and answer the questions. Don't need to submit this activity to TeachMeIntoff and WhatsApp group. Just note the answers in your upload book. Once you receive your workbook, you can fill the answers in your workbook. Once receive, you can take a snapshot and send to my WhatsApp or TeachMeetup. I will tell you the later. Just go through this activity and watch the video. Note down the answers. You can fill it later.